Serbian football, that's what I'm talking about. Svaki dan. What up people? How you guys doing? Welcome back to our channel. Today it's me alone and we're going to Belgrade to watch the Belgrade Derby. If you notice, we don't have, nobody has a football jersey on or anything. That's because it's a very dangerous and bad idea. It's not, Serbian football is not like England or Germany where you just fly your colors anyhow, you know? We're here at the stadium. We're going in, and I noticed that everyone's chugging beers and drinking fast to get into the stadium because they'd rather get drunk before they get into the stadium. And I think that is why it gets really intense, because everyone's drunk, I guess. Damn, those horses are big.
Yeah, it's bigger than
Holy fuck.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, he's flying.
Damn.
Imagine if he pushed that. Evo ga i Donald je ovdje.
Sigurno je. Mi smo nišnike, on je naš.
Ne znam, ja to ima, ne znam.
Sigurno je, ako nećeš, ok.
Neću držati.
Ok, sigurno se pravi.
S kim je ga zvezdao?
On?
Zvezda plays with who?
Partizan?
Partizan, oh, nice.
You don't know?
Of course I know.
Oh god, dude. was fucking crazy. Yo, did you have fun? Huh?
And this is sad, man.
What?
This little kid was asked his dad why we left, you know?
Yeah.
What dad need to
So we can't go back in? No?
we don't know.
Yo, you sure we can't go back? Oh well, it happened to me now. Now I believe. I know I should be scared right now, but I swear to God, I'm not even scared. My adrenaline is pumped. It's fucking crazy.
Do you not believe?
Man, see, look, jumping up felt like I was gonna fall back. And if I know if I fall back, then I'm finished. I'm dead. This is an experience that you can't find anywhere in the world. Woo! Serbian football. That's what I'm talking about. Power Partizan. It's the experience. So if you what the shut Jeppy? God damn it. So, moral of the story, if you cannot run and you can't jump stairs and you don't have heart, don't go to the Belgrade Derby. Simple, man. Fucking simple.
True.
But me, I'll always come. Right?
Right, you have balls.
I got balls, man. Yeah, the dick.
Yeah, I think that's
what caused the problem.
That was the key. Yeah.
But where did he come from? He came from their side.
Yeah.
The balloon came from their side.
From the other side.
Yeah, from Brett's side.
Yeah.
So why is it causing problem?
I don't know, maybe someone was talking about some bad words and provocating, you know?
Yeah. Steady rush of policemen, man.